Hello, this is my reflection on the Chapter 1 of Gibbon's text, Scaffolding Language, Scaffolding Learning. This chapter actually opened my eyes quite a bit for how difficult it is for English learners to grasp and develop language for the multiplicity of situations and contexts that they are expected to know and understand. I have had several experiences with friends, relatives who have come from other countries to learn English, and that their English seems to be relatively fluent when conversing with one another when I talk to them. Yet I've noticed almost all of them struggle to order food or go shopping at the grocery store, for example. I now understand that these are situations that involve a different field, tenor, and mode than they are regularly used to or have previously experienced. A prime example from the text is the part where the students are doing a little experiment with magnets, and the author lists that in the text 1, the student says, "Look, it's making them move. Those didn't stick." Very abstract, unclear. Somebody who wasn't sitting in that class wouldn't know what they were talking about. In text 2, it says we found out the pins stuck on the magnet. And text 3, our experiment showed that magnets attract some metals. And text 4 states that magnetic attraction occurs only between ferrous metals. Now in text 1, where it's just the simple statement, "Look, it's making them move, those didn't stick," is just the student making an observation with other students during the little experiment. And in the second text, if I recall correctly, that is him explaining, or him or her explaining what the experiment did. We found out the pins stuck on the magnet. Now in text 3 says our experiment showed that magnets attract some metals, and that was the more formal statement made on the paper or the assignment they were turning in, whereas text 4 states magnetic attraction occurs only between ferrous metals, and that is the teacher's explanation of the experiment. And it's interesting because it leads me to think of my wife's mother, who's from Honduras and didn't come here until she was about 30. And when her and I converse, it's easy to understand what she's talking about. She's comfortable, and the vocabulary may not be 100% correct, but she can get the point across. However, whenever we go out to dinner, she always asks that my wife or myself order for her because she's not comfortable in that more formal setting. And I just found that as an interesting observation, make that connection. And I think it gives me something to think about and open my eyes a little bit more, and something to pay attention with my future English learning students. So that's just chapter 1. I'll get more on the future chapters, and I'm looking forward to the rest of this class. Thank you.